Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Cole. It's Sunday night, May 25th, and this is the Week 3 message for Political Science 1013, Summer 2025 on the first 7-week schedule. All right, everybody, we're through with the first exam. There are 3 people who need to take the exam late. Please contact me. You should know who you are. I've been in touch with at least one such student. The midterm exam will be Wednesday the 4th, Wednesday, June 4th. A series of announcements went out yesterday that everyone should have. The material for the exam will be Units 3 and 4 on the media and the Constitution, plus 4 articles to read, 2 about the media and 2 about the Constitution. Everyone, one of those articles posed problems with students' access, so I've put the whole text of that article into an announcement for you that you should have received in your email. This is the one about tariffs. Okay, check your email. You should have received that. The author was Charles Cook. So you could try that link to access that, but I don't know if you'll be able to access it. It's in an email that I sent you through the course website, so check your inbox on the course website. Okay, everybody, very quickly, the media unit is relatively short, although I have expanded it a bit due to ongoing developments. Basically, what we try to do in this unit is a couple things. First, we discuss the various media outlets in various categories. A very important distinction is that of old media versus new media. Old media being print and broadcast, newspapers and television largely. New media referring to internet-based and social media. Now, it's believed that new media is on its way to eclipsing old media to an extent. Exactly how that will balance out is not clear, but we need to be aware of the distinction. The rest of the class notes deal with issues that arise in news coverage, principally charges and countercharges about media bias. Now, everyone, as you go through those notes, you'll find one new slide that I've added with some attached notes. You'll see an editorial cartoon with a number of people bowing and scraping at a large statue of Donald Trump. And they're holding money bags. One of the people bowing or characters is Mickey Mouse, representing the Disney Corporation. Now, as you read through that slide, you'll read what that cartoon is all about, and also a number of developments that have happened going back to just before the election with regard to the media, on into the year 2025 after Trump's inauguration. So be sure to look at that carefully when you get to it. Everybody, I mentioned in one of my announcements that the Constitution unit is quite lengthy, and there's quite a bit of reading to do from the text. Okay, so you will want to spend maybe a couple of days on the media and then get started on the Constitution. There are several chapters to be read from the text, and those chapters are all linked on the course website under Unit 4. I would say Chapter 2 about the Constitution as a whole is most important. Read that one closely if you press for time, and 3, 4, and 5 maybe more quickly. Also, the Federalist Papers, 2 of which are in the appendix to your textbook, and those are also linked under Unit 4 in the modules area of the course website. So you want to set some time aside for the Constitution. We start out in those class notes going through about 150 years of history from the 1620s to the eve of the Constitutional Convention. And it becomes especially important when we get to the French and Indian Wars in the 1750s and 1760s. It's this episode that leads to colonial objections to British policies, to the point that we get a move for rebellion and a declaration of independence. So I will pick it up at that point next week. Please look at it very closely, at least up to that point, between now and next time. It will be, about the first of the month the next time I speak to you, and the exam is on Wednesday the 4th. So you want to get through at least the first part of the Constitution class notes, and maybe leave the second half of it to the second, third, and fourth, and the first, second, third, and fourth, and that would maybe give you adequate time to prepare for the exam. Okay. All right, so we'll say that much about the first part of the Unit 4 class notes, and we'll try to finish that up next time. We will do a discussion this week. Many of you will be seeing this on Monday the 26th, Memorial Day. We do our second discussion on Tuesday and Wednesday, the 27th and 28th. Now, you've been sent a link to a book review of a book you might have heard about, because it's been something that's been in the news quite a bit lately about former President Biden. I hope that will be of interest to you. And we can have a lively discussion on Tuesday and Wednesday, the 27th and 28th. Everyone, I will probably try to get one more discussion in before the exam. We'll probably have to do that Sunday and Monday, the 1st and 2nd. I hate to do things like this on Sundays, but we're pressed for time. We only have about 40 days to get the entire course in on this 7-week schedule. So look for an announcement about discussion 3 to go out as soon as we get through with discussion 2. Okay, everybody, that will be about it for this time. I would urge you to start looking at the media class notes over the course of the next couple of days, and then get started on the Constitution unit, because it's a quite lengthy unit in terms of both the class notes and the assignment from the textbook. So we'll be talking to you about a week from now at this time, when we will be right on the eve of the midterm exam on Wednesday the 4th, and we'll be in the middle perhaps of our third discussion on the 1st and 2nd. So take it easy, study hard. Contact me with any questions, problems, or issues through the course website or at david.co@opsu.edu. Take it easy. We'll talk to you again in a week or so.